Hi, have you ever modified pads by filling the edge due to persistent noise in the vehicle or to make them fit discs that you are not planning to replace? Doing so forces the pad to break the same vehicle in the same time but with less friction surface, which overheats the system and can crystallize the material, producing unwanted noise. If the disc doesn't fit because it has a lot of wear, it's best to replace the disc and, when detecting a problem, replace both pads and discs. For more videos about warranties, subscribe to our YouTube channel.